Video is about synthetic roots. So the keyword gives us information about a series of reactions, and that can be summarized in this diagram right here. And so the keyword is the question's asking for the major product of X, Y, and Z. So we're going to use the summary represented in the diagram to explain this question. So first, let's look at the reactant. So we have CH3CHCH2. And if we were to look back to the question, it tells us that it's a propene molecule. So we're going to write down what we know. So that means our initial reactant is propene. And so propene is an alkene, so it will be saturated. So we know that X, it will be an alkane of some sort. And we also look at the other reactant, which is hydrochloric acid. So there's a presence of chlorine, so X would be a halogen alkane. And now we're going to draw out the molecule to visualize this step. So here is a drawing of propene. And the double bond will be between the second and the third carbon. And then we're going to draw out the halogen alkane. And so the double bond will open up and so either hydrogen or chlorine will attach to the second or third carbon, and chlorine will be bonded to the second carbon with the most inductive effect, meaning there's two carbon surrounding carbon. So we have the diagram of the halogen alkane like this. So from X to Y, we know that NaOH, the OH will replace the chlorine and result in an alcohol. Also, the chlorine is bonded to the second carbon, therefore the alcohol will be a secondary alcohol as well. And so let's draw out the diagram of that. And then from Y to Z, we can see that dichromate ion is a oxidizing agent. So we know that the alcohol is being oxidized. And so since it is a secondary alcohol, Z will be a ketone. And the molecule will look something like this. Here we have the product for X, Y, and Z. So if we were to look back at our question, it's in the condensed formula, and what we have is the full structure formula. So we need to make that change. So for X is CH3CHCl CH3. And then for Y is CH3 CHOH CH3. And lastly for Z we have CH3 CO CH3. And if we were to look back at our choices in the question, it would be choice A, and our answer is A.